What's going on, you and the tubes? So today I do have my little helper here. So we're going to be changing the drive belt tensioner. Mine's making a slightly rattle noise. So when I shake this here pulley, it's loose. See if y'all can peek this little wobble. I doubt it picks it up. Anyway, so I ended up picking up one of these from AutoZone. We're going to be changing this out.
Yep.
I'm going to make him do all the work, by the way. Before we take the tension off our belt, we're going to go ahead and break this. You can use a leverage bar to break it, or you can put two wrenches on there. Man, come break this. Go ahead and break that for me. Might want to use two hands. Good job. And just the second way of doing this, we can end up getting a wrench here, putting it on one end, and you can get your other wrench here and put it on this side. That'll give you leverage there. So either or will work, but my man already broke it. There it is there. All right, guys, so the next thing I'm gonna do is remove the tension from the belt. One thing that I do recommend on this car is to take the bolts out of your ABS system, your brake thingamajig. Move it to the side, because the fit down there is just really tight, unless you have some really flush tools that aren't so bulky to get down there. I mean, you okay with that pipe right there behind you?
Oh, this black one I use?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir.
Can you do it?
All right, put it on them. All right, pull back. Put your hands up here, get you some leverage. Put both hands up here, get you some leverage. Pull back. All right, let go. Don't.
I'm not gonna let go.
Here,
like
pull back. I'm sorry. Pull back. Don't let go, okay?
Okay.
All right, let go. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking this off here. With the old and with the new. All right, so here it is here. You guys can hear, I know it spins, but it wobbles too. Now if I pick up this new one, I shouldn't hear any of that. Nope. Stiff. All right, let's insert this one. Let this go. All right, good deal. What you gonna do here? All right, so before I put my bolt back on, I did clean it. I'm gonna add some blue Loctite to it. It's not a reverse thread, it's just a regular thread. I'm gonna add a little blue Loctite. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and have you insert that, my man. All right, just, you see this hole right here? There you go. Put it right in there. What you gonna do is screw it on. You know this already. Just keep screwing. There you go.
Rock hard, that means you stop.
Good deal, man. You out here saying stuff. All right, now let's tighten that. So what I want you to do is tighten this as tight as you can with this. All right, good deal. We're gonna put our belt back on, then we're gonna torque it down. Yeah, just hold that steady right there.
All right. Yep.
That fell.
Screw that on tight.
All right, I got you. You can let go. Watch out.
Oh, can I do the job?
All right, slowly let it go. All right, looking good. You know, my lighting's kind of, oh, there it is. All right, you can take it off. We'll remove this. I do have it on my torque wrench. I'm gonna get this down to 33 foot-pounds. So the book here says that the idle tensioner bolt gets torqued down to 33 foot-pounds. There it is. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna mark it. All right, guys, that was it. That concludes the job for the drive belt installation. Very short video. It was something that I needed to do. So look forward to putting out more content. Trying to teach my little man here how to get it done. But thanks, guys. Like.
I kind of know now. He taught me.
There you go. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, I'm out.